how to turn on more activity about you, push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on more activity about you, push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down into define settings and then notifications, and here just click more activity about you, and now just turn push on and go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.